Good morning. Today we will revise the last three lessons from Chapter 10, Lesson 2, 3, and 4. Look at the green rectangle. This. It's not divided yet, so it's a whole. Again, we say it's a whole. It can be divided into equal parts. The first shape, the first rectangle, we divide it to two equal parts. So, there are two halves. Each part is a half. This is a half. The second part also we call it half. The second rectangle, we divide it to three equal parts. So there are 3/3. Each part is a third. This we call it third. The last rectangle, we have 4 equal parts. It must be equal to say there are 4/4. Each part is a fourth. Now, let's do some examples. Example number 7. How many parts we divide my shape? I divide it to 2 equal parts. So do you think that's halves, thirds, or fourths? Of course, that's halves. How about number 8? How many equal parts we have? 4. So do you think we call it what? Fourths. Number 9. How many equal parts? 3 equal parts. So that's thirds. Each part we call it third, 1/3. Number 10, 3 equal parts, so that's thirds. Number 11, can you do it by yourself? How many equal parts? Yes, it's 4. So that's what? Fourths. Number 12, it's 2 equal parts, so that's halves. Each part, it's a half. So again, you can divide a whole into equal parts. It must be equal parts to say, if I have 2 equal parts, it's halves. Each part is a half. If I have 3 equal parts, it's thirds. Each part is a third. If I have 4 equal parts, it's fourths. Each part is fourth. If I have 5 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I will say it's what? Yes, it's fifth. Fifths. Each part is fifth. So if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 equal parts, do you know what I call it? Super. It's seventh. It's sevenths. Each part is seventh. How about if I have 8 equal parts? Think a little bit. What I will say, Super. I will say eighth. Eighths. Each part is eighth. Do you notice something here? Do you notice that if my shape cut to 4, I will say fourths. Cut it to 5, fifths. Cut it to 7, sevenths. Cut it to 8, eighths. So just count how many parts I have, then add th at the end. If it's a lot, we will put s, like eighths. But the one piece is eighth. Just if I have 2, I will say halves, 3 thirds, but the other, it's almost the same. We'll say fourths, fifths, sevenths, eighths, and so on. I hope you understand. Thank you.